Can you make money renting out oceanfront condos at the Camelot by the Sea? Well, if you look on your screen, guys, you can see several condos that sold just in the last 24 months at the Camelot by the Sea. You'll see that $87,000 in 2024 in gross rental income for a 3-bedroom oceanfront condo that cost only $450,000. Now, some of those sales went as low as $350,000 for an oceanfront condo that can make you 87 grand. That's $90,000 right at in rental income. Now, the reason why Camelot by the Sea is one of those secret investments that are hidden in our market is because people overlook it. The units need to be remodeled, and ultimately you have to enhance your location. The location is what sells this place, hands down. Does it have all of the great on-site amenities that a lot of the other more all-inclusive resorts have in our market? No, but you are literally in the middle of Myrtle Beach, you know, the heart of Myrtle Beach. You're centrally located. You can get to Broadway at the beach in just minutes. You can get to multiple attractions quickly. Golf courses are nearby. You're oceanfront, but the units have to be remodeled. The whole secret here is enhance your location. When the location is as good as this location is because of where it's located, then you just simply have to enhance your location. Now, if you buy a phenomenal deal in an awesome location, but you pay too much money for it, it's not a good deal. If you buy a subpar deal that's not in a good location and you pay a little bit of money for it, it's not a good deal. The combination here that you need is you need an excellent location at the right price. That's what you find at Camelot by the Sea. Now, are you going to have to remodel it? Yes. But you're getting a 3-bedroom oceanfront condo for $350,000 that you can make $90,000 a year renting out and probably clear $25,000 to $30,000 profit a year. So, the whole secret to location is not overpaying for the best location, and it's definitely not buying a poor location that you pay a little bit of money for. It's buying the right location and having the eye to see that if I just simply enhance it, I can make a great return. You'd like to invest in an oceanfront condo at a beach resort. I'd like to show you how they make profit and break down all their expenses so you understand how they operate, how they appreciate over time, and how to choose the right property manager for your goals. I'd also like to let you know what your HOA includes, how the location best services the tourist booking your unit, how your tourist can navigate the area to the best attractions, restaurants, and local events. I'd like to give you a market report on the resort that you're checking out today so that you make savvy investment decisions. And if you stay tuned until the end, I'll show you my top picks for the units that have appreciated the most in our market or generated the most gross rental income. So no matter if you're a first-time investor, a seasoned professional transitioning into the real estate game, or simply a casual investor who wants to buy an oceanfront condo to rent out while you're not using it for vacation. Whether you've got 15% to pay down because you're financing or you're a cash buyer, if it's an oceanfront condo you're after, you'll be better because I'm aiming to give you a 10 times return on your time for watching this video to the end. Now, the other challenge to Camelot by the Sea is that you have to believe in yourself and you have to bet on yourself, which is what the best investors in business in the game do. They believe in themselves. Do you believe you can make $90,000 renting a unit out at the Camelot if you remodel it, if you make it top notch? I mean, historically, someone else has already done it there, but do you believe that you can do it? Do you believe that you can take a $350,000 condo and turn it into a profit-making machine? Again, all in all, it's going to come down to betting on yourself. Are you going to bet on yourself when it comes to investing? Or are you going to hand your money to a portfolio manager or to another investor, another investment person, and let them make the tough calls for you? I believe you should invest in Oceanfront Condos in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, because you can enjoy and increase the passive income of your oceanfront condo through the 20 to 22 million tourists that visit the #2 vacation destination on the East Coast each year. Not only can you enjoy the equity paid for by visiting tourists, but you can also anticipate the over 100% appreciation experience at many of the oceanfront resorts in our market during the recent decade. I believe you should invest in oceanfront condos in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, because you can depreciate them, reducing your overall tax burden, keeping more money for you and your loved ones, and ensuring unnecessary taxes aren't paid. Now, I get calls, emails, and texts all the time from investors just like you looking to make an investment in Myrtle Beach oceanfront condos or commercial properties in our market. If that's you and you need a savvy investor to run financial analysis, to generate profit and loss statements, that has the research and has, hard factual data that backs up how these condos have rented. If you need proof, I can get it for you. No matter where you are in the journey though, don't be a stranger. We've got lots of stories. Lots of investors call off of YouTube, email, text me. I work with all kinds of people from all over the world, guys. I want their story to be your story. So pick up the phone, give me a call, get over your fear, stop being afraid. The season's almost over. You can't waste any more time. Stop watching videos and pick up the phone and take action, because it can be a life-changing decision to make contact with me and open a new chapter of your life. 843-360-1737. You ever heard those people say that location is how you make money in real estate? Well, guess what, guys? Generally, people say that when they don't know what they're talking about. They don't actually understand location and the principle and the concept. So let's kind of break it down. We're outside of Camelot by the Sea. Ultimately, if you pay too much for a great location, you don't have a good deal. And location is all about finding the right deal. So it's not so much about having the best location that you can get, although yes, that's important. It's more about the deal behind the location. So at Camelot by the Sea here, you can buy a 3-bedroom for $350,000. There's a unit in there in the last 2 years that made $87,000. On a $350,000 investment, that's most likely going to appreciate between $300,000 and $400,000 during the next cycle and have annual profits of $20,000 to $30,000 a year. That's a phenomenal deal. Now, if you want to get those numbers, you're probably going to have to enhance the location, and you do that through promotion and psychology. So, do I buy a $350,000 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit here at the Camelot by the Sea and have to invest in extra marketing, the time, energy, and effort, and the dollars in marketing it well, have to come up with a more tip-top, psychology-driven theme and approach in my listing descriptions and how I market it? Yes. Could I charge a premium possibly to a market that wants to be centrally located in the middle of everything going on here in Myrtle Beach, with easy access to Broadway at the beach and close to the airport and close to Market Common? And yes, could those people potentially pay a premium to stay at a resort with a condo that's very well remodeled, top of the line now, it's nice, but doesn't necessarily have families there on site, because the resort itself doesn't have restaurants and tiki bars and all the top end stuff that families are looking for? Yes, very well, there could be people, snowbirds or retirees, couples, singles, that want to stay at a place like that don't want kids all over the place during their vacation, and they might be willing to pay a premium for it. So the point is that you can enhance a location through psychology and promotion if you buy the deal well. Now, if you spend $500,000 for a condo at the Camelot by the Sea, you probably have overspent. You probably can't do enough promotion and enough psychology to really, really win there. What you need is the right deal. And if you overpay for it, you're sunk at the start of it. Now, let's compare that with Dunes Village, for example. Now, Dunes Village, yes, you're going to pay a premium for those condos, those units, but you don't need promotion really or psychology too much. Not as much as you would at Camelot by the Sea, in my opinion. That resort in particular has a strong brand reputation and is well known, and those units rent like crazy because they have the indoor water parks, and the families go nuts over them. You know, the mothers that are renting those units don't care if they get an ocean view or an oceanfront too much, so long as they get into those water parks and their kids can use those water parks 12 months out of the year, and there's tons of slides and there's tons of kid activities. You don't need promotion and psychology necessarily to really enhance that location. The resort itself is going to do the heavy lifting for you. So now, on the other extreme at Dunes Village, you know, would I buy a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom and pay, $900,000 for it? No, I would not. I get calls and emails every day from investors just like you looking to make their move into the Myrtle Beach market. They want to invest in short-term vacation rental properties. They want to invest in oceanfront condos. They want to know where the best deals are in our market. Well, guys, you're talking to the right person. 843-360-1737. I'm going to help you put your hands on the best deals in our market. If you're a first-time investor or a seasoned investor, if you're 1 year, 6 months, 3 years out, I don't care where you are in the investing process, pick up the phone, give me a call, send me an email, shoot me a text message, and let one of the many stories on our channel be one of your stories. I believe you should invest in oceanfront condos in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, because this is the fastest growing area out of the 150 most populated areas in the entire United States for the last 3 years in a row, according to U.S. News and World Report. This helps to insulate our market from many of the ups and downs that the rest of our nation's real estate market experiences. This can help you have a more stable rental property. I believe you should invest in oceanfront condos in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, because they have a tremendous upside when compared to money market accounts and the stock market, due to the appreciation they earn and the potential of higher annual yields through their gross rental income when compared to these other investments. Money market accounts and the stock market don't have the upside of added appreciation. I believe you should invest in oceanfront condos in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, because while our prices have risen and have held their value, we're also much cheaper than other places like Florida. Where else can you go and find an oceanfront condo for as little as $100,000? If you're getting into the real estate game or expanding your current portfolio, the bang for your buck is sitting right on the Myrtle Beach, South Carolina oceanfront. Would I pay $700 and something thousand for a 3-bedroom at Dunes Village? Probably not. I'm not going to overpay for the location. Even though the location is great, even though the location is phenomenal, I'm not going to overpay for it. I mean, if I did spend that kind of money, I'd probably have to hold the property 15 or 20 years before it completely paid for itself. And that doesn't make sense to me. That's not necessarily a good deal. So, location, location, location. People talking about it all the time. They think they know what they're talking about. You really want to dive into the nuts and bolts of what it means. If you overpay for a great location, then you don't have a good deal. If you buy a decent location that's not necessarily the best location, but you can enhance it through promotion and psychology, and you got a good deal for it, well, that's a good deal. So location is all about the deal.